Today, we will talk about the BCG Growth Share Matrix. The Boston Consulting Group Growth Share Matrix is a planning tool that uses graphical representations to help companies decide what to keep, sell, or invest more in. It plots a company's offerings in a four-square matrix, with the y-axis representing the rate of market growth and the x-axis representing market share. The BCG Growth Share Matrix breaks down products into four categories, known as dogs, cash cows, stars, and question marks. Each category quadrant has its own set of unique characteristics. The matrix is a decision-making tool and does not take into account all the factors a business must face. It also leaves mid-sized businesses out and assumes that all businesses operate independently of one another. Apple is a great candidate for the growth matrix. In 2022, the company earned $394.33 billion in net sales, out of which almost $316.2 billion was attributed to its product section. The BCG Growth Share Matrix uses a 2x2 grid with growth on one axis and market share on the other. Each of the four quadrants represents a specific combination of relative market share and growth. The BCG Growth Share Matrix considers a company's growth prospects and available market share via a 2x2 grid. It helps executives decide where to focus their resources and capital to generate the most value, as well as where to cut their losses. At the height of its success, the Growth Share Matrix was used by about half of all Fortune 500 companies. Today, it is still central in business school teachings on business strategy. Here are four key takeaways. 1. The BCG Growth Share Matrix is a tool used internally by management to assess the current state of value of a firm's units or product lines. 2. The Growth Share Matrix is a strategic tool utilized by management teams for decision-making purposes. 3. The BCG Growth Share Matrix contains four distinct categories: dogs, cash cows, stars, and question marks. 4. The BCG matrix helps companies decide how to prioritize their various business activities. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.